The wrong woman empties your wallet and the right woman fills your purpose. Na ang maling babae, kahit milyonaryo ka, pwede kang maging broke. Pwedeng mawala sa'yo lahat. Pero with the right woman, a broke man can become a millionaire. A broke man can discover his purpose. So very important that if you want to be successful, you choose the right partner. Because somewhere out there will be someone who will support you whatever it takes. There will be someone na kahit hindi ka pa mayaman, paniwalang-paniwala siya na yayaman ka at magiging successful ka. Corny as it sounds, yan ang kailangan mo. And most men, aminin mo man o hindi, yan ang gusto mo. Someone who respects you, loves you, and someone who appreciates your effort. Someone who are grateful for what you can give. Kasi pag ang tao marunong magpasalamat sa binibigay, ang sarap nilang bigyan ng mas marami.